Okay, hi guys. I'm just trying to edit up what's turned out to be the video that wasn't, if you like. Basically, we'll leave you watch what happened, but as usual, Dean is to blame. Forgot something pretty crucial for what we were planning on doing, so you can see that in a bit. So we're gonna have to go out, unfortunately, and smash another video. So hopefully Dean can remember all the bits of his car this time, and we can get out, get some good footage for you, and show you what his BashBar's made of.
Hi mate.
How you doing, mate?
How's it going?
Hey, not bad at all. What have you got with you?
I've got a sledge and a high upgraded Mojave, and this it's got the old Radical BashBar on it.
The old? That is brand new, that is,
Yes,
mate.
yes. Is Randy the Landy all there?
Randy the Landy is loaded up with all my
What's
toys.
in there?
We'll go in that because we can check all your stuff in the back.
My stuff in Randy the Landy, yeah?
Yeah.
And I'm taking the old the R8, yeah? Is that
Are
okay?
you?
Is that okay?
I can't really say no, can I?
Awesome.
Check that out, guys. What you reckon?
That's a ramp, isn't it? Yes. That is a ramp.
Next stop is the moon from that bad boy at the end.
Do you have to pay these? Why isn't that coming up? Am I real or what?
What are you looking for, Dean?
I'm looking for my Traxxas controller. I brought the Mojave and the sledge to do an all singing, dancing video.
Oh, do you know what's really funny? Stand still. I'm just going to look what does it say next to you?
Oh, very apt.
It's like they knew you were coming.
I brought the wrong controller.
Nice! MT10 being driven by Miles, smashing it off the big ramp.
You still good?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to break your nose, no?
Again.
Again.
Oh. Nice, Miles. It was dead before, so it's probably more dead now.
Chassis perfect.
That's because of that BashBar. The back end's gone. I'm glad you found that because they're like 25 quid, aren't they? Yeah, so you've only bust the back. Someone's bust on the front anyway. No worries. Back to the pits. So the next one, I think the Mojave's going off there. Come on. So the Brackler skate park has already claimed its first victim. My EXB, which I've literally just fixed. It's pretty annoying. Easy fix. Good old BashBar there. Well done, Dean, for that. Show us how it's done. Got it, Miles. Where's that going? Watch your head.
Ah! Listen to this.
Pinions come off.
The whips on this.
Pinions are for wimps, but they're pretty important though, aren't they?
2 minutes? Was that 2 minutes?
That was 2 minutes, but you haven't actually broken it.
No, true.
Unlike mine, which lasted what? 3 minutes?
So we've managed to completely ruin 1,500 quid's worth of cars.
Yeah.
And what's that, 300 quid?
Oh, bloody hell, mate. Is that an important bit?
Nah, does it need them?
Probably goes better with it on.
Whoa, that's directly on the roof. Oh, it's fine.
Of course it's fine, associated theft. Toughest car in the world ever.